Now I describe some important questions for interview. Firstly, about yourself. I am Al Mustafa as a full stack developer, especially in backend focused. Now I build some scalable web application. I have hands-on experience, RESTful API, authentication system, payment gateway integrations, and scalable systems with Cloudinary. I do already two important projects like Homeland Systems and a tech platform that is the Twitter booking system that is you already use huge people's. I have a bit of adaptability, new technologies. The second important question is about the standpoint of a developer. I have three standpoints. When I take a new project, I show is deeply and divide it step by steps and do the project. Besides, I do communications with seniors, developers, and technical perspectives. My second strength is when I do any project, I do zero tolerance code quality, and that's why I spend most times. And third standpoint is I always try to give a good and clean code. Also, I communications with senior developer to maintain it. Besides, third question is what's the weakest points of a developer. Also have three weak points. Firstly, I do the good quality. For that, uh, when I do any projects, sometimes I spend huge time that affect the multiple tasks. Against, I also do some important tasks in the main projects that are not too technical perspectives and business perspective. It also take more times. Third, my weakness is when take decisions with senior developers. I'm in dilemma what to do. That's also take more times to go at decisions. This is my weak points, but I also try to do it with my punctuality and reasonability and problem solve the problems. Fourth question is what's the biggest mistakes of developers. And when I was a junior developer at that time, I do only could build RESTful API. At that time, I have no knowledge about system design, architectures, communication with senior developer, and business perspective. I do the code, but when business logic changes, it's very huge difficulties for me to change codes and take huge time to solve the problem. From that case, I learned the communication is very important. The last question is what I want to go after 5 years. I want to be and to be a senior developers after 5 years and becomes expert in system design, database security, and algorithmic solutions that could quality more fast, scalables, and people can use huge times. That's not affect the whole projects. That's affect the project very smartly. That questions is very important and frequently come to the interview.